Now this is accused number 2, brother of 69 accused number 1. Why is he taken into custody? Get the investigating officer who has flexed his muscles in taking this man into custody for no reason. I am going to initiate departmental inquiry against that man.
They met on Instagram and subsequently they had sexual intercourse. She is already married. Once we got to know that she is married, we told her we don't want to have any further relationship with you.
We andre yaru?
That is my lord, accused number 1. Sorry.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಅದನ್ನ
The accused number 1.
ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ತಂದಿರೋದು ಅಂತ.
We got to know that she is also
ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿ
sorry.
Yes, Bharat Kumar.
Please, my lords, the petitioners are, my lords, accused number 2 to 5.
ಲಂಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ. Petitioners are accused number 2 to 5, please, my lords, who are family members of accused number 1. The respondent number 2 prefers
69
please. And
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
Nothing, please, my lords. There is no iota of complaint as against them.
And ಯಾರು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
Petitioner number 1 is arrested, please, my lords.
Who is the father?
No, that is a brother.
Why?
We don't know, please, my lords. Firstly, accused number 1 is made as only the accused, and subsequently, my lords,
Now this is accused number 2, brother of 69 accused number 1. Why is he taken into custody? ಯಾರು ಇವ್ರು ಇಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, I am serving probationaries SI, please, my lords.
SI,
please. Accused number 1 is a sub inspector.
ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
No, my lords.
ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ನಿಮ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ. SI ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
My lords, it is her allegation that from past 1 year, my lords, they met on Instagram and subsequently they had sexual intercourse. My lords, may kindly page 38 for a moment. She is already married. Once we got to know that she is married, we told her we don't want to have any further relationship with you.
We andre yaru?
That is, my lords, accused number 1. Sorry.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಅದನ್ನ
The accused number 1.
ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ತಂದಿರೋದು ಅಂತ.
Accused number 1 said that we don't want to he doesn't want to have any further physical contact with
very watchfully tell this.
And subsequently, my lords, we got to know that she is also
ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿ
my lords, the accused number 1 got to know that she is suicidal. She has tried
committed suicide.
She has tried to commit suicide because of work pressure, and she has given statement before the Malleshwaram police station that she has done so because of so and so. After that, she writes saying that I tried to commit suicide because it was because of accused number 1, and subsequently he has made promise to me and had sexual intercourse with me, though she is
after married. Commission of attempt to commit suicide.
Please. And now they are, my lords, they are behind my back trying to arrest me, arrest the accused number 1. And in that, my lords,
SI ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ?
My lords, we are in Karnataka only.
Oh, seriously.
My lords, my only
border ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
My only prayer, my lords, is that to release the petitioner number 1 and to grant interim relief with respect to the other accused, please, my lords.
Why have you not filed accused number 1's petition?
Next petition.
ಎರಡು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
And then the next one, please, my lords, I would make this submission. I am not pressing on IA number 1, please, my lords.
ಅದೇನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಾ?
Interim order. I ask is that, my lords, I may be protected from any coercive action. I am willing to submit to the investigation.
What is the relationship between, how did you come in Instagram?
Instagram.
Okay. ನೀವು public servant?
Please, I am in Chitradurga. She is from Davangere.
Probationer?
Probationer.
ಈಗಲೇ Instagram ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, my lords.
You will use ಹೊಸದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಇದೆಯಂತ ಯಾವಾಗಲೇ ಟ್ರೂಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಡ್ಲಿ ಡೀಪ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. Another dating app. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೂಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಡೀಪ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ.
But with respect to the second petitioner accused number 1, I am not pressing IA number 1. Only request is, my lords, I will submit to investigation.
He should not have been arrested.
Arrest impossible. This is who took him to custody?
We'll secure him.
Get the investigating officer who has flexed his muscles in taking this man into custody for no reason. I am going to initiate departmental inquiry against that man. It's humor apart. This is a very serious matter.
Seriously.
The petitioners accused 2, 3, 4 and 5 are before the court calling in question The registration of a crime in crime number 41 of 2026 for offences punishable under so and so. The petitioners are the brother, mother, sister of accused number 1, who is said to have had a relationship with the complainant who meet on a social media platform hyphen Instagram. The friendship develops into relationship being sexual. The relationship lasts for over a year. It is the case of the petitioner that when accused number 1 comes to know, accused number 1, who is now a probationer sub-inspector, comes to know that the second respondent complainant is already married, distances himself. Once he distances himself, the complaint springs by the complainant that the accused number 1 has had a sexual relationship with the complainant on the promise of marriage. The promise of marriage, the allegation leads to registration of a crime in crime number 41 of 2026 for the aforesaid offences. Everything up to this point was within the power of the investigating officer to register the crime and investigate into the matter. What shocks this court is that the brother of accused number 1, accused number 2, is taken into custody and now stands in judicial custody. For what reason? For committing no offense of the kind that the accused number 1 has committed, the accused number 2 is taken into custody. Therefore, the investigating officer shall, by way of an affidavit, place before this court as to how he could arrest the accused number 2 in no offense committed by him, in blatant misuse of police powers of arresting a citizen without any rhyme or reason. The learned SPP to secure instructions as to the investigating officer and the affidavit to be filed by the investigating officer. The investigating officer who took the second petitioner, the accused number 2, into custody shall also be present before this court. Further investigation in crime number 41 of 2026 shall remain stayed. In the light of the second accused number 2 being in custody, in the light of the aforesaid observations, a direction would ensue to the jail authorities to immediately release the petitioner, accused number 2, from custody without broking any delay. The registry of this court will communicate this order to the jail authorities to enable the release of the petition, accused number 2, within the evening of today. This petition is by accused number 1, who is said to have had the relationship with the complainant. A perusal at the complaint would clearly indicate that all acts between the two were consensual. Certain allegations are made that ಯಾರಿದು ಮಾತ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು?
Respondent number 2 complainant.
Allegations are made that due to false pretext of marriage, the complainant went into depression and had taken certain antidepressants or tablets, antidepressants or otherwise. It is an admitted fact that the complainant is married. The marriage subsists or divorce?
We know that the marriage has happened. We don't know whether it has.
The learned counsel submits that the marriage still subsists. If the marriage is subsisting even today, it is ununderstandable as to how a married woman would expect would have a relationship on the pretext of promise of marriage with the accused number 1 even. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further investigation qua accused number 1.
What you have just witnessed is a remarkable moment in court where the judge raised serious concerns about the arrest of the accused person's brother. According to the court, the brother was taken into judicial custody even though there appeared to be no clear allegation or offense against him. The judge questioned how such an arrest could be legally justified and expressed strong dissatisfaction with the actions of the police. As a result, the investigating officer has been directed to personally appear before the court and submit an affidavit explaining the legal basis for the arrest. Until then, the court has stayed further proceedings in crime number 41 of 2026 and ordered the immediate release of the accused brother from jail. The court also took note of another important fact. It observed that the complainant is admittedly married and that her marriage is still legally subsisting. The judge questioned how a case based on a promise of marriage could stand when the complainant was already married at the relevant time. The matter will now be examined further in the next hearing, where the investigating officer will be required to answer the court's questions regarding the arrest and the investigation.